My friend, it's Cameron here. I'd like to welcome you to the Limitless Money Hub. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to write highly engaging and clickable Google ads with a click of a button for any industry. So basically, if you haven't watched the previous video, we started a series called the $1 Million Copy Series. And the reason why I'm calling it the $1 Million Copy Series is because when you go ahead and get started using this software that I'm recommending, and I'm going to show you kind of a tutorial of today and how I'm writing these here highly clickable and engaging Google ads, search ads and things like this here in this video. I'm going to go ahead and gift you the $1 Million Copy course for free if you go ahead and get started and use any of the paid versions of this software. But like I said as well, you can see here, this is the homepage here, but I'm going to leave my link, it'll be my affiliate link in the description below. And you can see here it says, you can get started for free, get instant access, and there's no credit card required. So they do have a free version of this here, and you'll be able to go ahead and write copy if you're an internet marketer just getting started and you want to start a copywriting career, or you're a business owner and you have someone there who potentially could use this software to be writing yourself and these copy and writing ads. Even if you're doing it yourself, you can use this here to write ads and stuff like that here. So I'm just going to go here to the workspace. So once you create an account, you'll have a workspaces like this here. So I've got lots of different ones here, and what I'm going to go down to is I'm just going to go to this one, say it's kitchen extraction, and we're going to go to this new workspace, and I'm going to click on data driven copy. Okay, so once we go up here, I'm going to go new project, and you'll see here that we can go to all these different types of ads. So you've got Facebook ads, Google ads, these ads, Taboola ads, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest. You also got all these other things going on here, as well as the editor. Okay, and then you've got a blog wizard and website personalization. But what we're going to look at today is we're going to look at the Google search ads. Okay. And quickly, there should be some information already in here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up my website here, and I'm going to pop my sites in here. I'm going to go we'll just keep it the way it is here, and I'm just going to say create project just with this information we've got in here. But as well, if you have a look here, if we go back to the brief, you can go to industries, and you can have all different types of industries here. I'll just actually restart this again. I'll go back and I'll go to Google search ads, and we'll go ahead and select just a random site. So I'm just going to actually use this website here. Okay, I'm going to go import, which is really cool, and it's just going to pull all the copy from your site to be able to write these highly clickable ads. So just give it a little second to go through. And you can see here, commercial cleaning. Okay, just keep it commercial cleaning and professional cleaning service. Okay, we'll just take all this out, because the less you kind of give it, the more it's going to work, more copy it's going to be able to generate. So I just go say commercial kitchen deep cleaning. Okay, and then you can also see here we've got loads of different industries. So I'm just going to type in health and healthcare industry. So I'm just going to select healthcare industry for this one, and I'm going to go create a project. Now what's really cool about these ads here is you can go ahead and have different types of the writing style. So you can have it like a playful writing style, fifth grader, confident. You can also have it like a conversational one, a hard sell, or default. And this one I'm just going to select conversational, and then it's going to write as the description and headline, and it's going to give us multiple different versions of them that we can go ahead and put into some Google search ads. And for any industry, for any client that you might be working with, which is really cool, and it's very fast, and it saves you the time of coming up with really engaging and copy. So you can see here it's already given us here for a description. So we're going to want to be able to put in maybe up to 5 or 6 different descriptions in our search ads. So here's 5 or 6 very high predictive score, very high predictive score here. So it's also saying here that your channel policy is safe, so this would be safe. It would appeal more to females, and more to the 45 to 54 range. So it says here, we understand how important it is to keep your kitchen clean. Okay, your team is the best at deep cleaning your commercial kitchen. Okay, our team provides commercial deep cleaning throughout the whole year. Okay, so you can also go here and you can select, maybe you want to go for a playful option. So this was more of like a conversational style, and then we can also generate here as well. And what I didn't mention in the last video was what you can do with this here is you can actually have it in multilingual, but I'm not going to go into that there because I don't necessarily use it for that. But you can generate copy in all these different languages here, you know, if you're German, you know, French, let's see, Dutch, Polish, all this here, different languages. So maybe I'll just click them on just to see what it's like here. So maybe we'll select French, and I'm just going to hit generate to see what it brings up, because we could be running versions in a different country with a different language. Okay, so here it's actually bringing us up here. It doesn't bring up the predictive score, which is cool, but it does bring up this here, and I don't have a clue what that says. So I'll maybe just copy it, and then we'll maybe just go translate into Google. So okay, and you can see here, your kitchen is a mess, then call us for deep cleaning. Okay, so that was what it meant in French, which is cool. So this is the different descriptions. So I would probably use some of these descriptions here for different ads that I would use for different clients, potentially in this kitchen and commercial deep cleaning niche. Then we've also can go to headlines, okay, and then it's going to generate us different headlines. So in this one, we'll just go ahead and hit default, and we'll hit generate here as well. So for this headline, it says, oh, it's still in French, so I'm going to make sure I go back to English, UK, and then I'll go generate. Okay, and it should generate us up to 5 different copy variations, and you can see here that it's giving us all these different variations of different headlines. So it doesn't matter what niche that you might be writing copy for a client, this copywriting software helps to write all the different aspects that you'll need for your Google search ads. Okay, so you can see here, cleaning experts in Belfast, cleaning commercial kitchens, commercial cleaning, deep cleaning Belfast, a cleaner commercial kitchen. Okay, that one doesn't really have that much of a higher performance prediction score, but you can see these other ones do as well. So they give you an order. So this one has the highest predictive performance score here, and it's appealing mostly to, you know, a little bit more to the female side of things, and the main offer is a cleaning expert. Okay, so this was it for this video. Like I said, I'm going to leave the link to this below in the description if you want to go ahead and get started, explore it, because this is only just a little taste of what you can actually do inside of this AnyWord software, and you can get started for free, no credit card required and all that stuff. And like I said as well, if you want to go ahead and get started with a paid version like I do, I use this here for data driven copy. It gives me up to 30,000 words per month. If you want to go ahead and get started with that there, if you're a beginner, an internet marketer, or even a business owner, I'll also gift you the $1 Million Copy bonus course for that as well. So I'll see you in the next video, my friend. Have a great one, and I'll see you in the next one. Also leave the link to AnyWord, like I said before, and go ahead and explore it. It's free to get started, and if you're doing anything, any form of copywriting online, this is going to help you out greatly, because there's so much in here that I couldn't just cover in one video. That's why we're going to go ahead and do the $1 Million Copy series. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one. All the best. Bye.